Okay. Live again. Let's make sure that my mic isn't messed up as per usual. 1 second. Moving things around. What does that look like when I do that? Screen just goes black for a sec. Okay, nice. All right, let's check my mic. Okay, nice. All right, let's check my mic. Okay, my voice sounds kind of soft, which is good. I can project a little bit more. All right. Let's fill up the chat with hi. Say hi in the chat. And then I can increase the size of... Oh. And we found a bug. Classic Monday blues, huh? I gotta reconnect YouTube, it seems. I might need to reconnect Twitch too. Let's find out. All right, chat. If I say this again, hi. Say hi in the chat. There, it should show up now. Yep. Let's see how Twitch is working. What's up? Yeah. All right, Twitch is working. Okay. Good to go. All right. We're going to do something today. I'm going to bring this over. Should be fine. Oop. And let's zoom in. So Sir Lunchalot has been so kind to look into playtesting and has found all sorts of things. For the most part, the feedback I'm receiving is pretty good. Okay, I'm actually gonna open... Let's open Droppy Ball. Why does it keep opening on the wrong screen? Okay. So, first things first. The one that I'm most interested in is Box V2. So a quick refresher on this. I have made the top of the box have a boundary so that when a ball crosses this boundary, like up here, it can still touch the edge of the box, I guess. So let's see if we can kind of replicate the issue that I'm talking about. I don't need this. I need this embedded. Okay. Oh wait. Oh, that's a good run though. Well. Okay, let's see. So like basically right here. Oh. So right here, technically it is in the danger zone. Maybe I can bring up my little diagram again. Let's pull up my diagram. That's fine. This one. So here's the diagram. Basically, the white is the box. Oh, let's get my... Oh, I did not want to do that. Let's go back to 1. I want a bigger brush. Okay, so white is the box and red is the death zone. Basically, once you cross over into the death zone, you're done for. Oh, no, 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 no. That's the green one. The green one is the death zone. The red one is the actual boundary on the box. And so when a ball is inside the purple, so below the purple line, they touch the red box, right? So it's actually overlapping the white box. This is just a visual representation. And then when the balls get over here, they no longer touch the red line. They no longer collide with it. And instead, they collide with a little line right here at the top that's just long enough that it can interact with every ball, which is pretty much the exact same as how the game was originally, right? And so the problem here is that, like, it could pop here at the top and send it through the box because the wall is just not big enough. Okay, let's see if I can do it naturally. So far, nothing. Oh, what the? Okay. Okay, sorry. Had to send a text. Oh, that would have been the perfect time, but it didn't work. Yeah, so like right now, this ball is colliding with the danger zone. And so it's actually only... Oh, in fact, can I... Okay, here, let's save and quit. I can do visible collision shapes. Oh, wow, that's pretty rough. Let's change the lip collider color. Left lip. We will make it... I don't know. I always choose black. Let's do like a maybe purple. Okay, and then does that reflect in the game? It does. Okay, so yeah, this ball is colliding with that, whereas these are colliding with the world boundary, if that makes sense. Although I guess they all collide with the lip, huh? Oh, I just made a scary play. Hang on, I wanna change the ball collision thing, because that is really kind of annoying. Let's make this like a deep red, but like really... Oh wait, no. What the? Undo. Blast radius? Wait. The blast radius is the center one? Okay, well, whatever. Blast radius is that. What's danger detector? Did I add this last time? Danger detector. What does it collide with? Other balls? What is this? Is this unused? Oh, this is my little one, right? Yeah, this one's unused. I'm pretty sure. Or is it? Oh, wait. Hang on. Oh, hang on, I gotta... There we go. What? Ball data isn't in the current scope? What is happening here? Cannot write Shada file. What the heck is that? Oh, and this one's probably like 5 or something, huh? Dang it. Am I only allowed to have one external port open at a time? Here, we'll do 5 on this one. Wait, Q. It's gonna be annoying, isn't it? What? Ah, alright. We'll just do this. I gotta close out the other project. And we'll do this. Gotta reopen everything, unfortunately. So what is this thing? Nvim data shada main.shada. Yeah, what if we delete that thing? It's this one, right? There we go. All right. Okay, so. Crap. Good thing it doesn't take long to open a Godot project, huh? What? On port? Where is it? External editor. Okay, well, it's connected either way, even if it's saying the wrong thing. So, what the heck is danger? Danger detector. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is completely unused. Okay, we're gonna get rid of that. And then this thing, this ball collider. Blast radius. How does the blast radius work? Huh? Blast radius. So, okay, so this is the radius times 2, and then the collider shape. That's so funny. So I made this one 10 pixels. Let's make it like 40 by default or something. Like what's my baseball size? Ball data. Oh, right. This is the ball manager that I want. The base size is 24. Radius. So I want this to be like 48, right? That's the baseball. And then the blast radius to be 96. And then this thing needs to be much lighter, like barely seen. Like that. And then this guy is fine. There we go. That's a bit easier to see everything. Whoa, that was not right. Okay, that was one of the bugs. That was one of the bugs that was said. Something funky happens when a merge... Something funky when a... Wow. Something gets funky when a merge happens above the rim. Okay, interesting. So let's try that again. Let's see if I can figure that out. Oh, okay. Instead, I just made a really good play. Dang it. Okay, I think I can do this. Oh, dang it. That's weird. That is indeed quite weird. All right, let's look at my logic again. Let's look at the ball logic. No. Is it the ball logic? Is it in here? On body entered. No, this is something else. Oh, set danger. There we go. So this is called inside of the box. Oh wait, what was this? Limit danger zone box lip. Okay. So set danger. If I'm not in danger and not dead, then I collide with the box. Otherwise, yeah. So let's look at the collisions again. So we've got ball, box, limit, danger, lip, dead. So if I'm not in danger and not dead, so how are these set? Oh, in danger comes in like that. Dead is this. And where is that set? Dead is dead. Set dead. And this is all happening in the box. Okay, so when a body enters the danger zone, we set danger to true. If it enters the dead zone, okay, it's like pretty simple. So then let's go back to the ball. So the problem here is that the ball gets created. So let's look at the ball manager. When the ball gets created, which is down here, get new ball, create ball. But this is different. This is in the combined. So when a ball gets created in the combine, new ball right here. Parent. Okay. The new ball global position and then drop. And so the problem is that it appears. I don't understand the problem. Okay, let's see if we can get it again. Oh, I keep clicking that. That's so funny. Okay, maybe like this. Oh. Okay, this is above. Oh, wow. See, it's not working now. Oh. Okay, this has got to work. Dang it. I'm running out of space to test this. Oh, yep, there we go. Dead. Okay, so let's go to the debug. Let's just fill her up. 7, 8. We can do another one of these. Okay, so now if I do this. Yeah, okay, this is great. Great testing grounds. Oh, even better. Okay, it's whatever. I wonder if that was the bug, was deleting that danger zone. Oop. What if I put that back in? Come on. Weasel is so slow. Okay. Danger detector. There it is. Just copy that. Ball scene. How does that look? What does that do? Reload from disk. Where'd it go? I think I might need to do this and reopen the ball. Nope. Uh-oh. Maybe it's this. What if I... Okay. Guess I'm just putting it back in. Area 2D. Danger detector. And then this has a shape 2D. And it was a circle. And it was like 1 pixel large or something like that. Black. Does this affect it? Like, it was doing nothing. Oh, let's do a little bit of this, a little bit of this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah. Oop, that's not good. Yeah, I can't get the bug again. What's up? Good morning. I saw it one time and now I can't see that bug again. Is my computer too fast? Set it to 12 frames per second. Oh. Everything is on fire. Yeah, sorry. Reminds you of the Candy Crush sound. Ah. I'll take it. Alright, we're running at 12 frames per second. Hey, what's up? Missed you last week. I'm doing good. I saw a bug earlier, and now I can't replicate the bug. So, that's how I'm doing. I have decreased my frame rate to 12 frames per second in the hopes of seeing the bug again. It has done nothing. What about this? Was this colliding? Oh, okay. Nice. Vacation mode. Let's go. Danger detectors. This danger. Yeah, let's say. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to do right now. Yeah, it's not doing it anymore. I don't know what the bug was. Oh, 60. So the bug was that, like, here, I'll try to, like, draw it out, I guess. So basically, like up here at the top of the screen, like if you had some balls that were above the box and they combined, they would like sometimes like jump to the center. But it's not doing it anymore. Here, let's just do like 1-1. Oh. Yeah, it's just like totally not happening anymore. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I have playtesters now. Woohoo! And by playtesters, I mean Sir Lunchalot and my wife. So anyway, yeah, he found this. Tries to push them over the rim. So anyway, and then I saw it today. I was playing a normal game and I saw it. But now I can't find it again. Yeah, it looked super weird. Let me see if I can just do it in the normal game. Like maybe the normal game is different than my debug thing. Come on. Okay. Oh, there it was. That was it. So something is different in this versus my debug environment. Let's try this. Get this higher. Oh, flirting with death here. Oh, man. It's not working anymore. I saw it once. Here, I'm recording. Maybe let's stop the recording and pull that up real quick. The heck? Oh, is it this one? This one. Let's just mute real quick. Okay, so this is what I was just doing. See if I can find it. Ah, there it was. Okay, so go back 10 seconds. Hey! Okay, it's gonna be right here. Yeah, so they combine and they create this green ball. And then the green ball teleports over here. What on earth would that be? Yep, we're finding your bugs, Sir Lunch-a-lot. Can I like scrub backwards on this? I can't scrub backwards very well. Okay, so let's look. It was probably because of another explosion, is my guess, right? So something else exploded, pushing it out to the side. Where was it? It's these, okay, these yellow balls right here, I think. So yeah, okay, so dang, I did that wrong. Come on, there we go, okay. Come on, right here. So these ones explode, pushing the ball over here, right? So they explode. And so this gets sent over here. But it only happens at the top, right? Well, I guess maybe because it can't be pushed around when it's in the box. Dang. Only at the top. That's so weird. Yeah, so it has to be a chain reaction at the top. But I could not find it. Like, I could not do that on the debug screen. Even though I was doing the same stuff. Oh. GG. Let's see if I can try it. Let's try it one more time. So let's do this. Oops. Does that work? Boom. All right, we're at the top. So if I do like... See what I'm saying? Like, the debug screen just doesn't have that problem, it seems. So I gotta figure out what's different between my debug environment and my production environment. Yeah, this is so weird. So weird. Okay. Yeah, let's get into it, I guess. I haven't touched the debug thing basically since I made it. Kind of, you know, funny enough. So It's a canvas group. The normal game has a game container. Are there any borders above the rim? Yes. Yeah, the rim is a border. It's a world border. Although it doesn't collide, it only detects areas. So that's what's kind of weird here. But either way, that box is in. Oh wait, or is it? Is it the right box? It is the right box. So it has the same box, you know. So that's not it. It's got the same dropper track. I don't know what this marker is. Marker. Test spot. Oh, okay. You can tell this is old code because I did not do the percent sign. Foreground. FPS timer. I don't know what that's used for. Save button. Yeah, so the normal game has a limit, which this one doesn't have, but that is just an area 2D with, oh, yeah, with a world boundary. So that shouldn't matter at all. I mean, this is all basically the same, right? Like dropper track, box. It's pretty simple. We're trying again. Can't get it to happen even here at the top. I'm betting it's some sort of weird physics thing, right? Like where it was pushing, like the impulse stayed on the balls as they were combining. Oh! We got a funky physics thing happening down there now. There we go. Oh, great. Great. Oh no. Okay. So we're at the top. Oh, well, kind of. I keep accidentally having these awesome chain reactions. And that's how it happens. I think there's too much going on at the same time and somehow the game gets funky. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That's a weird one. That's for sure. And I've only seen it twice now. Okay, but here's another bug that I wanted to look into. So let's say we have, you know, one of these. So I can't push it out of the box until we get to the lip, and then it's pretty easy to push it out, right? Isn't that kind of the problem? Here, let's do a bigger one. Let's do one of these. So right here, it should be able to be pushed out. Come on. It's kind of working. Maybe it's just because Here, let's do the frame rate trick again. Oh yeah, and not this. Let's get rid of the visible collision shapes. Let's go to a crappy frame rate. Come on, you know you want to leave. You know you want to go through the box wall. Interesting. Yeah, that's kind of working. Let's try this guy. Yeah, that guy bounced back in. Interesting. I don't know. Maybe I just have too good of a computer to actually test this. Weird. So, let's see. This one. Ball jumps over the rim when merging too close. Yeah. Well, I mean, I think it's pretty stable. I don't know. I might have to come back to these another time. At least I have a recording of it, I guess. Bug is clipping through the lip of the box, which, you know, I anticipated to some degree. And then lastly is weird visual chain reaction bug above the box. Okay. All right, let's move on to something else though. Let's see, I had a list of things. Oh yeah. I want to do a funny thing. So I'm gonna make another video, a YouTube video about the pirate software video. So the pirate software video got a ton of attention, obviously. But, you know, with that attention comes hilarious comments, in my opinion. And so I want to do a video just going over the comments. Because I thought, well, first of all, some of them were right, you know, like some of them were criticizing me in correct ways. But some of them were like, just like really hateful for no reason. And I thought it was really funny. And so I want to do something, which is I want to put the comments into Droppy Ball. And I want to show the comments, like while I'm playing the game. So here, I can kind of show what I mean. So like imagine I have like Droppy Ball full screen. Well, it's actually not. I wouldn't do full screen right off the bat. It would be like this. So let's say I start and then I go full screen. So Droppy Ball is over here. And then I've got the comments over here on the right, like as a slideshow. And so I can click on the comment and like read it while I'm playing my game that I made. And then I'll probably just stream it. I'll just pick my favorite comments and stream it and talk about them and then release a YouTube video about that. So it was just kind of a weird idea I had, but I'm going to go with it. I think it's funny. So yeah, let's start working on that. I'm going to make a new branch though. Okay, stash this. Oh my gosh. So slow. What the heck? I mean, everything's merged, I think. Right? Let me check that everything's merged. Yeah, everything's merged. We're good. All right. Comments, video. Come on, goodness. Yeah, WSL is so slow with Git. I don't know what it is. I mean, maybe WSL is just slow in general, but anyway. Oh yeah, this isn't used anymore. Interesting. Okay. So the game is now going to be different. I'm going to... Actually, you know what? I should probably commit this stuff. Shoot. Yeah, let's commit this stuff real quick. I made the AAB. Right? No. Oh, yeah. So I added the AAB. And did some debugging. I don't know. It was something dumb that I did. Oh, Linux uses the Git. Really? Maybe that's a symlink. Dang. Like Java. Java is a symlink. Oh, I don't have Java apparently. Okay. Let's just merge this in. Holy moly. So slow. All right. So first things first, we're going to change the aspect ratio of the game. Pretty simple stuff. I'm going to make it 1080p. We'll just do windowed, but I'll do full screen when it comes time to that. Is there a reason I'm using WSL for that? Yeah, I just never learned, like I just have this like kind of nice system with like bash aliases, and I never learned the Windows equivalent. So I'm like at work, I just always used Unix operating systems. And so, and I just have like, you know, some sweet dot files that I'm used to and I've used for years. Didn't want to change. So, yep. Like, as you can see, I've just got like aliases for everything with Git. it's basically my own thing at this point. But yeah, you know, if I took even an hour, I could probably move it all over to Windows at some point. I just don't want to. All right. So the game is now this big. Game container, I think, will shrink automatically. Maybe. Let's see. I gotta remember my code. All right, resize. So I get the scale. And the only thing I don't want to change is the offset. Oh, hey, what's up? What's up, Jared? Okay, yeah, the offset is the only thing that I no longer care about. So let's get rid of those. And let's see what this looks like. It didn't work. Oh, hang on, let me move this up just a little bit so everyone can see. There we go. Oh wow, YouTube chat's being weird on my side. Not much. First time I've been awake for your stream in like a week. My sleep schedule's been so weird. Yeah, sorry to hear it, man. Why didn't this work? The game container. New size. Dropper track, I think, is supposed to resize itself. No? Okay. Yeah, I think I know the problem. Everything is in the game container. Is the UI? Ah, darn. Oh! That's not good. I don't want that. This is going to be harder than I thought. Because everything is based on the viewport being kind of small. Okay. Think. Game container. I mean, I could just shrink this thing, right? Oh no, because the UI is different. I could put the UI as a child of the game container, I think. And it wouldn't change anything. Or would it? Because everything is like full rect, right? Yeah, this is really tricky. Okay, so let's put it back. This, and then this is full rect. And then game container. I mean, yeah, do I just shrink this? And is this in the UI, this notification thing? What if I do this? Bottom left size is, was it 720? Yep, position. I don't remember what the actual code on that is. 146. So 1080 plus 146. Position Y minus 146. Okay. Yeah. And then there we go. Drop free zone. So this is going to be this, no, this. And transform, size. Oh, I can't change the size of this, apparently. Why can't I change this thing's size? Oh, it's because I was doing the wrong thing, wasn't I? this thing is going to be top left, and the size is 720. There we go. Then we go back to the game, and all I got to do is should I just scale this down? I think I just scale it down. So like there. Is that almost exactly what I want? It's good enough. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I just need to move it over to the right a little bit. So it's let's call it 0.85. No, 0.84. I guess 0.485 was exactly what I want. Should I just eyeball it? Based on the center of the crown. Does that look about centered? All right, good enough. We're gonna call it good. And then, yeah, I need to go back to game. Okay, I already did that. Good. So now it should show up on the left. Just fine. Yeah, okay. This is a little off now though, this thing. So let's figure out where that needs to go. Dropper, track. Okay, so I just need to send it. The offset needs to be just vector. You know what? I can just do this inside here. $72.72. What does that look like? Yeah, okay. It's gonna work. And yeah, there we go. Oh, the dropper track is off now though. Based on the mouse position. Ah, crap. Am I in the dropper track right now? I think I am. So now the mouse position times 0.845. Is that right? That's worse. What did I, how far did I move it? 57 plus 57 vector dot right times 57 vector 2. Not quite. I gotta times it, but I've gotta like, times 57. Is this the place where I do the 0.845? I don't think it is. It's close. Mouse position. Get viewport minus offset. What's the offset? 0. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Oh, the offset is the global position. Oh, and then also set track. Where's this called? It's not called. Okay. What does this do? It's so close. It's really just the scale that's the problem here. But I need to figure out how to represent that scale. Yeah, why is it correct in the center, but incorrect off to the sides? Is it because the dropper position is normally 0? Using mouse, okay. So the mouse position. So the position is that, I mean, let's try it. Times 0.845. It's correct here now, weirdly enough. I think I can visualize kind of what's wrong here, but I still don't really know how to fix it. Okay, that's closer. That's much closer. In fact, I think that's it. So now it's plus that vector 2 dot right times 57. Except it's minus. I'm really close. Like, I'm clearly just like a few pixels off. I think it's, okay, let's see. Game container is scale 0.845 and the position is 57. The dropper, how big is the dropper? It's 4 pixels wide. So maybe, you know, maybe we say like, you know, 57 plus 4, 61. Like maybe it's just off by that much or something. And it seems to be a little bit more. Okay, let's do 65. It's so jank. That's okay. It's just for a single YouTube video. I ain't releasing this. Okay, interesting. This thing is not working now. It's the set, what is it called? Reset. Has determined track width. So now we need to do left bounds plus, okay, left bounds. is 1 and 719, but that's not true anymore. Dropper track. Man, where did I come up with these numbers? Ugh. What if I do plus 57? Or no, let's do times 0.845. No, because I want it to be bigger. $48. Holy cow, I'm